Very good morning to all dear students. Yesterday we did the just introduction about the concept of similarity related to triangles, in which we did study about the concept of similarity and the concept of congruency. So today I am going to provide you some examples related to the concept of similarity and the concept of congruency. So now look at the whiteboard. Examples related to the concept of similarity. So firstly, if I'm talking about the concept of similarity, and I take an example with line segment of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. If I take the line segment of 4 centimeter for the first step, and for the further step, if I take the same line segment with the same length, that is 4 centimeter. So these are the common shapes and these are with the same length. So these line segments are congruent. These line segments are congruent. So for the further step, if I take the example of a circle with radius 4 centimeter, that is the first case. For the second case, if I take the circle with 3.5 centimeter radius, for 3.5 centimeter radius, in this case, both the circles maintain the angle of 360 degree. 360 degree. Both the circles covers the angle of 360 degree. But the second condition is the radii of the circle is not same. Radius for the first circle is 4 centimeter and for the second circle it's 3.5 centimeter. So the both radius are different from each other. So there is no similarity and there is no congruency. In case of similarity, both the circles are similar but not congruent to each other. So for the third case, if I take the example of triangle, let us take the example of isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle in which triangle ABC, in which the one side is equal to the another side of the triangle. It means side AB is equal to side AC for the first triangle, and if we take the another triangle with DEF, here the side DE is equals to DF. It is a case of an isosceles triangle in which both the triangles are similar, both the shapes are similar to each other, but there is no congruency in such condition. So let us take the another example. Previously we took an example related to isosceles triangle, but now we are taking the example for an equilateral triangle ABC and triangle PQR and triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. So in the case of an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to each other. Let us take the angle 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and here also 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. Here the angle A equals to angle P, which is 60 degree, angle B equals to angle Q, that is also 60 degree, and angle C equals to angle R, which is also 60 degree. But here this triangle consists of side with AB with 3 centimeter, that is also 3 centimeter, and that is of 5 centimeter. And another triangle consists of side 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Both the angles are equal to each other in case of both the equilateral triangles. But for the further case, if we want to check the concept of congruency, here there is no congruency because both the sides are different from each other, but both the angles are common. But if we take the condition of similarity, in which the proportion of one shape is equal to the proportion for the second shape. So in first triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB upon PQ equals to 3 upon 6, and for the further side BC upon QR equals to 5 upon 10, and for the last side AC upon PR, which is 3 upon 6. Here we get 1 upon 2 by its proportion. So the proportion for both the shapes are equal to each other, but there is no congruency. So it can be said at the conclusion that both the triangles are similar to each other, but there is no case which consists the congruency nature. So both triangles are similar to each other. For the last shape, if we take the example for square, I am taking the example for square now. This is square ABCD, and this is square DEFG. So in case of first square ABCD, we know it consists the angle 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. It also consists of the angle of 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and last is 90 degree. Both the shapes are of the same nature, that is square, but it is the distinction between both the squares that it is of 3 centimeter side and it is of 4 centimeter side. So sides are not equal to each other for both squares. So there is no case of congruency, but there is only a case of similarity because both the squares are of the same nature, but there is no case of congruency. But both the squares consist of 90 degree angle, but the lengths of the particular sides are not equal to each other. Thank you so much. I hope you all understood it.